away. Let's do some exploratory orienting to create serenity and to teach ourselves that we can explore, not in the danger defensives, but in safety. So just kind of take a broad look what you're seeing and see if you can let that go. And then just start to look at something. Slowly look. Bring your gaze slowly over. And see as you notice the colors, or something that's interesting, if you can take it in and then let it go. Take it in. Look at the beauty. Can you take that beauty in and then just let it go? Yeah, it's safe, right? It's okay to. So let's teach your defensiveness to let go and find something wonderful. Take it in. Take in the beauty. Slow it down. Really slow it down. Take it in and let it go. And at the same time, just slowing it down and taking it in and letting it go, you are teaching and training your nervous system to not dart and jerk and look for danger. You're teaching it to slow down, find safety, and feel safety. So notice, does your body respond when you slow it down, let in the safety and goodness, and then let it go. Let it go into your body. Press your feet into the floor or ground, not right into this floor. And notice how there's no give. It's stable. It's steady. It's grounded. It's strong. Okay, so I'm inviting you to practice this orienting, creating serenity now with Sharon LaFlamme. Namaste.